I'm not sure about you, but when I started my cybersecurity journey, I wish someone had told me their regrets and mistakes along the way. In this video, I'm going to do just that. You might be asking yourself, who is this guy giving advice on YouTube? Well, if you're new here, my name is Sohail and I've been in the IT industry for over a decade. I'm also the founder of CyberXcel Training Academy in Australia. So I've seen my share of mistakes in my IT journey, from starting as a help desk person to becoming a cybersecurity consultant and engineer. The first mistake I made was not paying enough attention to my soft skills and communication skills. I used to think that to become a highly paid cybersecurity unicorn, I had to geek out and purely focus on technical side of things. That's what excited me at that time. Learning new tools, fixing stuff, and figuring things out like a true engineer. But after a while, I noticed something strange. People who were less technical than me were making more money, had better positions, and were actually working less. That's when it hit me. There's another part to all of this. After seeing these people thrive, I decided to go out on my own and become a contractor in cybersecurity. I started doing projects and providing solutions to customers, not just as a cybersecurity tech person, but as a business owner. A lot of people ask why I bothered starting my own consulting and training academy. Well, here is the thing. If you want to reach the next level in cybersecurity, you have two choices. You either climb the corporate ladder to become a CISO or VP of cybersecurity, or you break away and start your own thing. I didn't want to become a corporate manager, to be honest. I was tired of that world, so I decided to work on my communication skills, marketing, sales, and other things beyond just tech. So don't only focus on learning technical stuff and geeking out. There's so much more that contributes to your success. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. You know how the YouTube algorithm works. I don't have any sponsors here, so if you found this video valuable, the best way to support me is by liking it. That way, more people like you can discover this video and benefit from it. The second mistake I made was not learning scripting and automation early enough. I started too late because honestly, I hated programming. But what I can tell you for sure is that no matter where you are in your cybersecurity journey, you need to learn scripting and automation along the way. You don't need to be a full-fledged programmer, but you do need to understand how to read code and write simple scripts quickly. Out of all security engineers I've met, almost all of them are great at automating the boring stuff. I actually recommend a book called Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. You can find it on Amazon, so don't wait. Get started fast. The third mistake, and probably the biggest, was not getting into contracting sooner. This one cost me a lot of money over the years. In Australia, you can earn really good money doing contract work for companies. You handle your own taxes and retirement, but you're not tied down to a company as a full-time employee. I used to think that working full-time meant job security, but the reality is, if a company wants to lay someone off, they'll just do it like that. Once I started contracting, I increased my pre-tax salary to 20K per month. That's huge, guys. Imagine if I had been doing that throughout my career. To sum it all up, here are 3 big lessons I learned in my cybersecurity career. Don't skip the soft skills. They're just as important as your technical abilities and can really boost your career. Second, learn scripting and automation early on. You don't need to be a full-fledged programmer, but understanding automation will save you tons of time and make you more valuable in the marketplace actually. Consider contracting. It can be financially rewarding and gives you more control over your work life. These 3 areas made a huge difference for me. And if I focused on them earlier, I could have accelerated my progress in this industry. If you take anything from this video, it's that cybersecurity is about more than just tech. It's about strategy, communication, and knowing when to take risks in your career. Whether you're just starting out or you're already in the field, remember that it's never too late to improve and make changes.